Hi, I'm Patrick. Answering this question in the Ask Patrick series, where I answer questions based on what student ask me. This question is by Sarthak. Question is, lockdown period, difficult to get a job. So obviously there'll be a break. How do I prepare myself to help in the interview? Very common. People do take break, and therefore you need to gear up for the interview stage. Also, the fact that you're not doing a job, I'm assuming that you have a lot of time in your hand. I mean, that is not a full day preparation, so you have time in your hand. So, a couple of things that you can do. First, maybe you can prepare for GK. How does GK help? Two ways. There are in examinations like IIFT, etc., you have GK. Moment you're good in GK, you should be able to better score your marks in those exams. Okay, so IIFT tests, etc., does have GK, CMAT, etc. Focus on GK a little bit. Make every day. Don't give too much of a response, but little bit everyday preparation and making notes on GK will definitely help. Understand that even the interview phase, the current awareness is a part and parcel of your interview preparation. So doing your GK preparation from now could help to a lot of extent in your. Second, I normally recommend people is create a hobby for yourself. A lot of interviews can be cracked if you can have a good hobby which you can talk about in the interview. So read about a hobby, write about a hobby. It could be any hobby that you like, but you should be passionate about a hobby. How does hobby help? Because it shows how passionate you are for anything. Could be anything common like reading or music. Could be anything maybe very different. Doesn't matter. What matters is how passionate you are. And if you're passionate, you will read about it, you will know more about it, etc. It helps to do more research on it. If you have some achievements behind that, always great, but do have. Anything that you want. Nutrition could be a good hobby. I like to know what to eat, what not to eat. I can know about health, which could be a good hobby. I would like to know about how to start business, could be a good hobby. I could know how to, anything and everything, cooking to reading to music to anything, maybe playing guitar could be a good hobby, drawing. And there are many students of mine who have used this hobby to really crack exams right from the top IIM Ahmedabad to many colleges to be effectively used. So right now, focus on creating a hobby. Don't try to look at how to use that hobby. A good mentor will tell you how to use that hobby for your interview. So GK and hobby both helps. Hobby helps in one more way. Because when you're preparing the whole day, you need to take breaks from your preparation. Hobby, if you're really passionate about, helps you create that break from your CAT preparation and diverts your mind and refreshes your mind. One more hobby we have missed out was technology. If you're good at gadgets, that also could be a hobby. Anything that you're passionate about. Know about it, learn about it, would help you for a period of time. Thank you.